Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Remitly account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a payment method to your Remitly account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link a payment method to your Remitly account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your overseas contractors request that you pay them through Remitly, and in order for that to happen, you do have to add a payment method. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Remitly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Remitly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a payment method into Remitly, you're going to click on your name here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu off to the left, and you want to click here on payment methods. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the payment methods you have connected to your Remitly account. So you can see I have my debit card right here. Just so you know, as far as payment methods, at the time of the recording of this video, you can connect a debit card, a bank transfer, and even credit cards. If it's Visa or MasterCard, American Express or Discover, Remitly does not take for transfers, at least at the time of the recording of this video. So what you want to do next is click here on add payment method. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. So here on the top, you can add a debit card or a credit card. If you're going to add a credit card and you use it to transfer money through Remitly, it's very likely you're going to get a cash advance fee from your credit card and also a higher cash advance interest rate. So just kind of keep that in mind. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add a bank account. Okay, so to add a bank account as a payment method with Remitly, you need to enter the routing number, account number, the name that appears on the account exactly as the bank has it, and you want to confirm your address is the same as you see right here as your bank has on file for you. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we've added my bank account as a payment method. So now when I go to transfer money with Remitly, I'll get the option to either use my debit card or my bank account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a payment method to your Remitly account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.